Hi, my name is David and welcome to the Online Course Business School YouTube channel. On this channel you will find interviews below where I interview a guest each week who has started an online business, has an online business and sells an online course as their key product. So it doesn't matter whether you're getting started, I've been doing this for a little while, you will pick up some really useful information in each video where I ask guests questions such as how to grow an email list, how to market their product, how to build a product, how to build an online business based on something that they're passionate about. Perhaps they've quit their full-time job and they're doing this full-time. Now this might be something that you want to do. Perhaps you're in a job where you don't enjoy it, you're not passionate about it, but you are very interested in starting perhaps an online business and selling an online course as your key product. So there's so many ways to kind of make passive income out there. I've tried loads of them over the last sort of probably up to sort of 8 years or so. Last 8 years I've been looking at this, but most recently I've looked at making online courses and selling your knowledge, selling the stuff that you know about, because people want to learn from you. If you know something that you think you can teach others about, they will want to learn from you, they want to listen to you. And making an online course, an online business based around a course as your product is probably the best thing that I've seen in terms of not only generating passive income but making a business out of it. So each video I ask up to sort of 10 questions roughly based on their experience. Each guest is completely different each week. I've interviewed people who have set up dog training online businesses, to project management consultants, to dating advice experts. I've interviewed quite a few different people already and it's really fascinating to see how they've turned their passion into a business. So please subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe also on iTunes. If you go to onlinecoursebusinessschool.com/audio lesson, you will be able to download a free audio lesson from myself with a guest that I've interviewed in the past. So I really hope you'll get on board with this. It's really exciting. There is opportunity out there to start an online business and create a course out of it as your product. So you'll learn the very best tips, tools and strategies here. And my whole concept of this channel is to speak to experts that are doing this already. So thanks for listening on this little video, and as I say, click that like button, click that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in a video soon. Thanks.